It's winter in Canada. The days are short and, well, crisp, so it's understandable to feel a bit blue.
Mine is 48.
Definitely notice a little downtick in energy.
Psychologists agree it's not in your imagination.
And if you're just talking about people that identify as sad, quite depressed, down, blue, it can be upwards of 50% around this time of year. So it's a thing.
That thing is mental health. More than 20% of Canadians are diagnosed with clinical depression. But Dr. Fry has noticed another general trend.
In the last year and a half, 2 years, the number one requested talk is how to be happy, how to stay happy.
Search for happiness online and millions of results come up, and many of those link to advice on how to get it. The self-help industry is estimated to be worth $10 billion US, and Canadians are buying in too. Spending on self-help books was up 22% between 2016 and 2017, and spending on just books about happiness, well, that was up 27%.
Year-round, they're more popular than any of the other nonfiction sections in the store.
So is the constant pressure to be happy actually having the opposite effect?
The pursuit of happiness is absolutely contributing to people being less happy.
Ironically, she says, to welcome happiness, we need to embrace all our emotions.
In order to be fully happy and sustainably happy, or rather happy enough, we have to be able to feel anxiety, sadness, worry.
Since 1981, the World Values Survey has been measuring happiness in 100 different countries. In most countries, the number of people self-identifying as happy has steadily increased. But that's likely not due to pursuing happiness directly.
It's social connections is number one, but it's not just any old social connections. The ones that are gold-plated in happiness terms are the ones where you're connecting with other people for good purpose, and that, above all, it means helping other people.
Researchers at Harvard University found the happiest people didn't go after it. Instead, they found it by building health, family, and relationships.
Let's just be, and then happiness will come.
And that's advice that won't cost a thing. Melanie DeClercq, Global News, Vancouver.